Greetings of the day everyone. I am Aditya.
I am Arohan.
We are the students of class 11 Bhupendra International Public School. Today we are going to present our model, the EcoFlow Brick Tin Air Purifier. So as you know, 20 to 30 years ago, water purifiers were not common. But as time passed, we realized the need of clean and safe drinking water. As a result of which, technologies like RO purifiers came into view. In the same way, we now feel the urge to clean the air around us. To do so, we have made this model to demonstrate a system which can purify the harmful air released from brick kilns.
So let us understand the problem. Air released from brick kilns contains harmful substances like particulate matter ranging from 1 to 10 micrometers, flue gases like sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides, and other harmful substances like residual clay particles, unburnt carbon, soot, ash, smoke, etc. Particulate matter is especially dangerous for human beings as it can cause severe respiratory issues. Flue gases are the major cause for environmental problems. To address these issues, we have devised a multi-stage air purification system.
Now without further ado, let's start with the functioning of our model. In the first stage, the harmful air released from brick kilns enters the cyclone separator. Here the air rotates at very high speeds, which causes heavy particles like coarse dust, smoke, ash, soot, etc. to be pushed outwards and stick to the inner walls of the chamber. This happens because of centrifugal force, which separates heavier particulate matter from the air. And then the partially purified air enters the next stage.
The next stage, mesh filters. The air passes through heat-resistant fabrics like Nomax, several steel meshes with finer and finer pores and semi-permeable membranes which filter out PM particles ranging from 2.5 to 10 micrometers and also other pollutants.
Now, in the third stage, the air enters the electrostatic precipitator. Inside electrostatic precipitator, there are two metallic plates made up of stainless steel which are connected with high voltage power supply, which creates a strong electric field. When the air passes through this electric field, very fine particles of soot, ash and especially metal and metal oxides become electrically charged. Then they get attracted and collected on these metallic plates from where they are removed from the air. The electrostatic precipitator is a very efficient stage in our system as it can even filter out PM particles smaller than 2.5 micrometers, which are very difficult to remove using ordinary filters.
In the next stage, we have a container containing the solution of calcium hydroxide. The air passes through calcium hydroxide and acidic gases like sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides react with this solution to form solid compounds like calcium sulfate and calcium nitrate, which can be used in many other fields. For example, calcium sulfate can be used in the formation of industrial material and medical casts, while calcium nitrate can be used in the formation of fertilizers. This step makes the air significantly safer.
Now, after that, the air enters the fifth chamber, which contains adsorbents like activated carbon, activated charcoal, and polyacrylate. They are very highly porous. That's why they are able to filter out trace pollutants, some amount of toxic gases, and all the leftover and volatile organic compounds. After that, after all the purification and filtration stages, the purified air is still rich in carbon dioxide. So we have decided to store this carbon dioxide rich air as much as possible for potential industrial use, like in the making of fire extinguishers, carbonated beverages, etc. After that, the remaining air is released into the environment.
This air purification system effectively reduces emission rate of particulate matter and other pollutants by 70 to 80%.
This system is made while keeping real-world practicality in mind. All the stages mentioned are possible in real life. The one-time installation cost depends upon the area, size, and capacity of the brick kiln. After that, it just requires periodic maintenance for the efficient performance. Solutions to reduce air pollution are not just theoretical, they are practical and also achievable. It is time we understand our responsibility and protect our environment. By adopting such technologies, we can reduce air pollution and contribute towards better life for ourselves and future generations. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.